दोन ऑक्टोबराक महात्मा गांधी आणि आदलो प्रधानमंत्री लाल बहादूर शास्त्रीची जयंती। गांधी जयंती हो आंतरराष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दीस म्हणूनय पाळटात। महात्मा गांधीची ही 143वी जयंती। ह्या निमतान पोन्ने गोंयाक गांधी चौकान सरकाराचो गांधी जयंतीचो सुवाळो जालो। मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार आणि हेरांनी पुतळ्याक फुलां घालून तांकां आर्गां ओंपली। जाल्यार लाल बहादूर शास्त्रीचे जयंतीचो उत्सव थंयच पंचायतीच्या हॉलान जालो। ह्या दोन महात्म्यांक पुरंटाची आर्गां।
सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम्।
आजच्या ह्या दिसा खरें म्हणजे हो दीस साजरो करच्या पेक्षा आपल्या जीवनान आचरणान हाडपा सारको दीस आसा। ह्या मनशाची याद अजुनूय आमी काडटात। ताज्या फाटल्यान काही मोख आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्यो मोख चड चर्चा करच्या पेक्षा प्रत्यक्ष जर आमी सगळ्या आयच्या समाजान ताजें आचरण करूंक शकले जाल्यार बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली सोप्यो जातल्यो।
अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघान आपलो कारभार सुधारून व्यावसायिक कशें वावुरपाक जाय अशें भारताचो एका तेंपावेलो खडेगाड खेळगडो ब्रुनो कुतिन्होक दिसता। क्लबांनी व्यावसायिक पद्दतीन वावुरचें अशें AFC आनी AIFF क्लबांक सांगता। मात महासंघाचो स्वताचो कारभार तसो दिसना। फेडरेशन कपान धेंपो आनी साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लबांक ग्रावंड सामके बाबत सांपडले। ब्रुनो म्हणटा AIFFन ग्रावंडाची पयली पळोवणी करपाक जाय आशिल्ली।
It is up to the AIF. They should have first gone and at least inspect the ground. They think about professionalism in India where it is not up to the mark. Where they come, the AFC members come, they inspect the grounds and they say this is not good. So they should have think about the professional side and they should have gone and inspect the ground, or not to lead it to somebody saying that this ground is not. If Tempos are complaining, if East Bengal is complaining, if Arrows are complaining, then there was something wrong with the grounds.
You feel with this backdrop, it's right that India are going to bid for the Under-17 FIFA World Cup. First of all, our local tournaments, our national local tournaments are not being organized well. You think it's a right thing that India could bid for the Under-17 World Cup and these basic facilities are not right?
You see, as for me, for Under-17 World Cup, it can be bid because in Goa, like the ground is going to be renovated. Renovation will be done about the ground. But in Delhi there is a beautiful ground. But if you go to different now at present in Bombay the corporate ground is coming. I think so. The beautiful ground is coming. So let's if these places are there, then we can bid for the ground. But as for me, AFF should go more professional. Where they want to go professional, they should go more professional in seeing the venues first where they want to organize it. Even in beach soccer, we cannot do anything in Goa. It should come from AIFF. The people from the beach soccer worldwide think about doing something in beach soccer. But if AIFF doesn't want to do anything, then it's not possible even for JFA or even for other associations to do anything. Because beach soccer worldwide has to contact AIFF and AIFF in turn has to say that we want to field the team.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरूय मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।